So today I'm going to be doing a product review on several things. So I have this right here that I'm going to be using for my face. And as you all know, I'm almost out of this. This right here is amazing. Look, look. And it keeps your lips feeling plump, moist, just really hydrated, you know, all day. This one is Fold 14 Inside Scoop. That's the one this is. And I've been using this for a long time. Yeah, I've been using this for a long time, so that's why, yeah, that's why there's barely any. But I'm gonna go ahead and start with this primer. It's called NYX Professional Makeup, the Face Glue Gripping Primer. Makeup primer right here. I'm gonna use a little bit on my skin. I've already moisturized with Lubriderm. If y'all are familiar with this, it is a daily moisturizing lotion and it's good for sensitive skin. If you have, you know, skin that is very dry and, you know, you just really want, you know, some good moisture, use this. This is going to help with your texture as well. So this right here, use this every single day. I use it multiple times a day, to be honest with you. That's what I do. That way my skin can, you know, look a little better. I'm gonna put a little more of this on this side of my face because I do have acne scars on the side. And I'm gonna be putting some baby skin on that side of my face. That way I can kind of diminish some of, or kind of diminish some of the acne scars that are there. I want to make them less visible. This right here is called, I don't know if y'all saw it, it's Twinkle Starlight Long Curl Mascara. It's waterproof. All right, so you don't have to worry about it wiping off or anything like that, or it, you know, leaking and dripping down and looking a mess or nothing like that. Can y'all see the difference? It doesn't look bad, but it's not lifting like I want it to. After this, I'm gonna put baby skin on. Okay. That's what it's looking like. And this is what it looks like as well. As you can see, it didn't really lift up my eyelashes like I wanted them to. But they don't clump together, so that's good. They don't clump together. They look pretty nice. All right, so I do wanna go ahead and put this on my skin. That way y'all can see the magic happen when my acne scars kind of disappear, okay? Okay, so I'm gonna look up at this. All right, I don't wanna put too much on because yesterday I did and it looked a mess at work. It really did. Okay. And I like to put this on the entire like area, like I'm trying to spread it out a little bit. make it even, you know, make it more even and stuff. Yeah, make it more even. All right, and I'm gonna use this brush right here. This is loose setting powder. I'm gonna use that for my face. Okay. I'm gonna use a little bit. It feels like it kind of like set. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and just, y'all let me know if it looks bad. Because to be honest, the baby skin, it takes a long time to set. It takes a long time to like dry. And I don't think it actually fully dries, honestly. But I do like the silicone base. I do like the fact that it gives you coverage. Like you literally put it on and it blurs whatever it comes in contact with. I'm telling you the truth. Like, I mean, as you can see right now, you can barely tell. But let me put it on the actual part, the actual acne scar now. See, with this yeah, actually it doesn't look as bad. I don't know if y'all can see, but I'm gonna try to post it before and after. That way y'all can see what I'm talking about. Y'all can see what I see. And in person, you can barely tell that I have acne scars. So I think this is a win. Use that baby skin with this. I'm gonna also spray my skin with this setting spray. Okay, so it's this one right here, and I use this all the time, and it gives you up to 16 hours of makeup wear. So kudos to that, right? I know I sprayed a lot, but that's because I'm trying to set this side of my face. I don't want it looking a mess, okay? All right, y'all. All right, what y'all think? Does it look good? All right, let me know, y'all. And the links will be below for Walmart and all of the products I used today. Y'all have a good one. Stay happy, stay healthy.